and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. BJP serves ultimatum of 4 weeks to government for removal of casinos from Mandovi. Goa ready to welcome Samba, state all set for carnival. Bharti AIFF Academy ultimatum for Goa. Joachim Alamau slams Mickey Pacheco for delay. It's government versus government. Who will solve garbage issue? And Churchill brothers thrash Vasco Sports Club in I-League. Now the news in detail. BJP on Friday demanded removal of casinos from River Mandovi. They have given ultimatum of 4 weeks to the government. They have also threatened that they will take law in their hands if their demand is not fulfilled. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has also blamed CM Digambar Kamath for issuing illegal licenses to the casinos.
इलिगॅलिटी कितली आसा हातून कोण सहभागी आसा जाल्यार हातून भितर सगळे मंत्रिमंडळ सहभागी आसा इतलेच न्हय जाल्यार टॉप ब्युरोक्रेट सहभागी आसा एंड प्लीज अंडरलायन माय वर्ड देर हॅज बीन प्रेशर एक्झर्टेड बाय चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफिसर्स फ्रॉम चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस ऑन कस्टम्स टू रिलीज द रॉयल कॅसिनो वेसल. Home Ministers भितर involved आसा असो नाही.
BJP has warned and have given an ultimatum to the government over shifting of casino vessels from the river Mandovi.
तांकां एक तरी तांचे दर्यान दुखलचे तांचे थंयच्यो जे कितें आसात त्यो काडच्यो ते जर तूं ताजेर सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी एक्शन घेतलें ना 4 आठवड्यान जाल्यार BJP will resort for agitation to force government to remove these casinos from River Mandovi.
Manohar Parrikar informed that the senior BJP leader Narendra Modi will be arriving in Goa on 21st February.
ते म्हणजे नरेंद्र मोदी चे गोंयान फाल्यां सांजचे जाणारे आगमन. गोंयच्या निवडणुकीची जबाबदारी घेतल्यानंतर किंवा चीफ मिनिस्टर जाल्यानंतर म्हाका दिसता पयल्या खेपा तांचो गोंयान प्रवास जाता. प्रमुख कार्यकर्त्या बरोबर तांची बैठक बी आसतली पण 2 मेन कार्यक्रम जे आमी दवरलेले आसा ते उत्तर गोवा आणि दक्षिण गोवा जशे लोकसभा सिटा प्रमाणे.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
It's Viva Carnival time again. Goa is all set to celebrate Carnival with great pomp and joy. This year, number of floats and prize money has been increased and Carnival is also facing oppositions from various organizations.
Kudsade Carnival Committee will be organizing their float parade on 23rd February. After a halt of 7 years, the committee has started the Carnival celebration from the last year.
First prize traditional category has 60,000. Second club institution 40,000 asa. Family category 25,000. Junk and fun and car 15,000 आणि 5वा जहाज clown and joker एका आमी 5,000 आसा.
In Madgaon, President of Madgaon Carnival Committee John Gonsalves informed about the programs lined up for the carnival.
6 categories. 1 traditional, 2nd clubs and institutional, 3rd sponsored, 4th family category, 5th fun and junkie cars, and 6th clown and joker category. Total prizes to be awarded is amounted to ₹4 lakhs.
OSD to Tourism Minister Lyndon Montero said that Panji Carnival will be a great success.
I am aware that there are some objections that have come from some religious groups. But one thing I can assure you that there is a scrutiny committee, and if any float is found to be detrimental to communal harmony or any float that is against the interest or is hurting the sentiment of any religion is found, such floats will not be allowed. We will take care that the carnival float parade is above any controversies.
Our reporters from Panji, Madgaon and Kudsade, Laukik Shilkar, Yashwant Parab, Santanu Rodriguez and Mayur Naik.
Goa could miss out to Haryana on the state-of-the-art All India Football Federation's Football Academy supported by the Bharti Group if the proposed 1.26 lakh square meters land at Kunkoli is not cleared for the project within 10 days.
The Rs 100 crore project has been caught up in a political tussle over the last year, and as such, the decision to commence work on the academy is pending despite Minister for Urban Development and Goa Football Association President Joachim Alemao's wholehearted backing for the academy. English Premier League and European giants Manchester United are said to be interested in associating themselves with the academy, and that makes the academy all the more prestigious. And while it seems that Joachim Alemao and Tourism and Housing Minister Miki Pacheco are still at loggerheads over the proposed site, the solution to the deadlock may not be too distant. While Miki Pacheco could not be reached for his comments, OSD to the NCP Minister Lyndon Montero pointed out that Pacheco has sent a letter to the Goa State Urban Development Agency regarding the land agreement earlier this month, following a request by the acting All India Football Federation President, Union Civil Aviation Minister and NCP General Secretary Praful Patel. Joachim Alemao attended the All India Football Federation Executive Committee meeting in New Delhi on Thursday and will now attempt to speed up the matter regarding the handing over of the land for the academy. He slammed Miki Pacheco for causing unnecessary delay in handing over the file.
Federation, I was present, which had taken a decision. Decision घेतला की जोरी तो 10 दिसांनी Goa government is not giving the land to All India Football Federation. The football academy will shift it to Haryana, and Haryana government already given them principally land. So this is very bad for Goa. Let me be very clear. I'll discuss with the Honorable Chief Minister today and pass him the message. Miki Pacheco have no right to keep the files pending. Let me very clear this. I was with the earlier government with Mr. Rani, our Honorable Chief Minister was there. That time the file was clear for this football academy. The file was clear from Housing Board to the Suda, this land. I want to just reminder to Miki Pacheco. He was not a Housing Board minister that time. That time the minister was Babush Mansura, which Housing Board had put as condition in Suda. 5 crore 60 lakhs, which they had demanded from Suda to Housing Board. They had demanded 5 crore 60 lakhs rupees, which we had given to the Housing Board. And Mr. Babush Mansura, Honorable Minister then, Housing Board was clear the file. This Housing Board Minister is doing illegality. He have no right to keep file in a drawer. No minister can keep the file in the drawer. I know this attitude is going on. I am sure I am meeting today to Honorable Chief Minister and telling this academy is going within 10 days out of Goa. If let him, Chief Minister, decide for this matter, and it's very urgency, and he have to decide, government have to decide whether they want academy or they don't want academy.
Our reporter in Kunkolim, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Finalizing a garbage treatment site in Goa is not easy.